Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. Shout out to Bruce Buffer for that intro. And today, y'all, we are in Dallas, Texas. And let's hop inside. And today we are at 6802 Forest Lane. And like I mentioned, in Dallas, Texas, zip code 75230. And if you haven't already, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up to join the YouTube family. And as always, if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or fill out an inquiry form in the description below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you don't already, hit me with that follow on TikTok and Instagram. Handle is Americas_Realtor. And please, as always, let me know in the comments below if you would live in a place like this. So let's get started here, y'all. Here's the wine cellar. The cooled wine cellar. And the asking price on this property is $5,895,000. And this is by New Leaf Custom Homes. And they did a knockout job with this property. Brand new, 2024, new construction. 5 beds, 8 baths, 3 fireplaces, with the pool and the hot tub. And this is sitting on 0.753 of an acre. And it does have that green belt in the back, which we'll see here soon. It does have a 3-car garage. And it is Dallas ISD, Kramer Elementary, Benjamin Franklin Middle, and Hillcrest High School. And this is in Preston Hollow, y'all. I know some of y'all will be asking where in Dallas. And that is North Dallas, kind of by Highland Park. Very, very close. But this lot is phenomenal. Absolutely love this. The backyard oasis is phenomenal. But this house, y'all, is perfect for entertaining friends and family. And the primary suite is absolutely stunning. Super, super rare to see something like this. And it has this part of the closet, then it has a secondary part. You can call it the his and hers if you want to. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about New Leaf Custom Homes. They specialize in the creation of luxury custom homes in the Dallas, Texas area. They're dedicated to building high quality and innovative homes from concept to completion. The intentional synergy between their in-house design studio and their experienced construction team makes for a seamless and enjoyable design build experience with their clients. And they strive not only to build homes, but build long-lasting relationships. When you choose New Leaf, you choose family. And they have won the Best D Home award for 2024. And you can follow them on Instagram at New Leaf Custom Homes Dallas and see what other homes and style they build. But Scott Powell is the CEO, and he is a phenomenal dude. I highly recommend reaching out to him and his team, and hopefully y'all can build something great here in the Dallas area. That's a nice courtyard right there. And I'm going to cue the music, let y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy this luxury property tour. And as always, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop something in the comments and I will get back to you, or you can DM me on Instagram, Twitter, or fill out an inquiry form like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible, or someone on my team will. And we'll go from there. Enjoy, y'all.
I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me. Don't tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road's calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with